What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to resolve the always on display not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, adjust the screen timeout to fix the always on display. So for that, open settings, scroll down and here click on display, and then scroll down and click on screen timeout. So if the screen timeout is off or set too low, then always on display will not work properly. So set the minimum screen timeout time to 1 minute or more than 1 minute to fix the always on display not working issue. Now after doing this, if you are still facing the problem, then the second solution is open settings again, scroll down and here click on lock screen. Now in lock screen, tap on always on display. Now here you will see a on off button on the top, so turn on and off always on display 2 to 3 times, and after that select show always, and after selecting show always, the always on display will start working properly. But after doing this, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and here click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now from here, update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software to latest version, it will fix small glitches like always on display not working issue. So I hope it will fix your issue. Thanks for watching.